Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Cressi MG Octo. So this is a balanced octo. This works with all of the Cressi range of regulators, and it's very much one of their best octos that they have on the market at the moment. So on it comes with a bright yellow rubber hose, so a decent length, that's about a meter, maybe 90 centimeters long, so you get a decent length on that, so you can donate fairly easily. On the front cover, so all of this section here where it says sort of balanced MG and the Cressi logo, that's all of your purge buttons, very quick and easy to get. It's got kind of that industrial feel to it with the bolts in the front. It also has a Venturi lever. So this is probably the most useful thing for an octo because it's very rarely in your mouth when you jump into the water. So especially if it's mouthpiece up, it's often just going to free flow because it's a downstream design and you don't want that. So just flick this little switch at the top to pre-dive and that redirects the airflow inside the second stage. So as it hits the water, it will vent a little bit, but it's not going to go into full-blown free flow. If you then want to improve the airflow whilst you're diving, then you can flick it to dive. You can do that whenever you want. So on the mouthpiece, we have a sort of a two-part silicone mouthpiece. So you have the softer material and then the harder material on the actual bite point. So that just improves the longevity of the mouthpiece. Other than that, very simple sort of second stage. It's nice and light. The plastic that they've used is a very clever polymer that acts as a little bit of a heat sink as well, they say. Performance-wise, it does give a pretty smooth breathe. It's nice and simple, and it's a great sort of alternate that you can attach onto sort of any Cressi regulator. Just got that traditional standard 3/8" UNF thread. Yeah, it's a very nice octo. This is the Cressi sort of MG Octo. Thanks for watching. Safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.